Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frost form for cakes. First, unbox your frost form kit, making sure you have the base, former, and collar ready. Next, prepare your cake by chilling it thoroughly. A firm, cold cake is much easier to work with. Place your chilled cake directly onto the frost form base, ensuring it is perfectly centered. This initial setup is crucial for achieving a smooth, professional finish on your cake. Now, carefully attach the frost form collar around your cake, making sure it fits snugly against the base. This creates a perfect mold for your frosting. Next, apply a thin, even layer of your chosen frosting to the top and sides of the cake. This is your crumb coat, which traps any loose crumbs. Chill the cake for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow this layer to firm up completely. With your crumb coat set, it's time for the final frosting layer. Fill the collar completely with frosting, ensuring it's level with the top edge. Then, take the former and gently glide it across the top and sides, removing any excess frosting. This step is where the magic happens, creating incredibly sharp edges and a perfectly smooth finish. Work steadily to achieve that professional, bakery-quality look. Once your final frosting has set for at least 30 minutes, it's time for the reveal. Gently pull the collar straight upwards to release it from your beautifully frosted cake. You'll be left with incredibly sharp edges and a smooth surface. Wipe any frosting residue from the base with a warm, dry cloth. Now, your cake is a perfect canvas, ready for any decorations you wish to add, from sprinkles to intricate piping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.